You're listening to Tropical Storm Imelda Tracker, Map and Projected Storm Path, a news story written by Dylan Moriarty, Ezu Yuchen, N. Kirkpatrick, and Julia Ledour, and read by an AI-generated voice. Tropical Storm Imelda formed Sunday and is expected to become a hurricane off the U.S. East Coast early this week. The storm could bring heavy rain and wind to the southeastern states, including Georgia and the Carolinas, with a risk for flooding as the storm makes its closest approach on Tuesday. Meanwhile, Hurricane Humberto weakened very slightly, but remained a strong Category 4 storm in the Atlantic, threatening Bermuda. How a hurricane forms and strengthens. Only when tropical cyclones in the Atlantic Ocean encounter the right ingredients for long enough do they strengthen to the point of designation. Meteorologists at the National Hurricane Center pay close attention to a cyclone's wind speed, which determines its class. Once it reaches 39 miles per hour for at least 1 minute, it's classified as a tropical storm and given a name. At 74 miles per hour, the storm becomes a Category 1 hurricane and continues through Category 5. These classifications help officials predict the possible risks and damage and send warnings of what to expect from the strong winds, waves, rains, and floods when they hit land. It's dangerous to be caught in tropical storm force winds. Stronger hurricane force winds can destroy homes and buildings and send debris flying. The winds can also push seawater inland for miles, causing an abnormal rise in seawater levels, known as storm surge, the leading cause of death during a hurricane in the United States, according to the National Weather Service. Large waves are also a risk to people and property. As a storm moves further inland, flooding becomes a major risk. Cyclones often produce more than 6 inches of heavy rain, which can overwhelm drainage systems and the ability of the ground to absorb the water, causing flash floods. Flooding may persist for days after a storm. Hurricane season historically peaks around mid-September. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration predicts 13 to 19 tropical storms this year, including 3 to 5 that could become major hurricanes.